Lenovo ThinkCentre Neo Ultra Mini PC 2025 officially announced. A strong new rival to Apple's Mac Mini, Lenovo has officially introduced its latest compact powerhouse, the ThinkCentre Neo Ultra Mini PC 2025, first teased in late 2024. This new mini PC is a refreshed and upgraded model featuring some of the most advanced hardware currently available, with Intel's newest Core Ultra processors and NVIDIA RTX 5000 series GPUs. Lenovo is clearly positioning this device as a serious contender against Apple's Mac Mini in the premium, compact PC market. Design and hardware specifications. The ThinkCentre Neo Ultra Mini PC is designed to be small yet powerful, ideal for professional environments or sophisticated home setups. Under the hood, users can choose between three CPU options: Intel Core Ultra 5, Ultra 7, and the top-tier Ultra 9 Series 2. These processors are based on Intel's latest architecture, featuring enhanced AI capabilities and superior performance efficiency compared to previous generations. Graphics power is equally impressive. Lenovo offers either an NVIDIA RTX 5060 or the more powerful RTX 5060 graphics card, both based on the latest Data Lovelace architecture. These GPUs promise excellent performance for tasks like 4K video editing, 3D modeling, gaming at high resolutions, and AI-assisted workflows. Every configuration comes standard with a generous 32GB of RAM and a fast 1TB SSD, ensuring smooth multitasking and rapid file access. Powering all this hardware is a 3-volt power supply, which should be more than sufficient to maintain stability even under demanding workloads, AI capabilities, and software. Thanks to the integration of Intel's new Core Ultra chips, the ThinkCentre Neo Ultra Mini PC brings native AI acceleration directly to users. This makes it an attractive option for professionals working with AI-driven applications, creative content generation, or even developers building AI models. It comes preloaded with Windows, delivering a familiar and powerful environment for productivity use cases. This mini PC isn't just a workstation for offices, it's equally suited for content creators, gamers, and professionals who need a high-performance machine that doesn't take up much space. Its compact size and quiet operation also make it an excellent choice for home offices or even living room entertainment setups. Pricing and availability. Lenovo has launched three primary configurations, although full details for the Ultra 9 variant are yet to be revealed. Here's a breakdown of pricing. Ultra 5 processor plus RTX 5060 plus 32GB RAM plus 1TB SSD, 14,999 yuan till the $2,058 USD. Ultra 7 processor plus RTX 5060T plus 32GB RAM plus 1TB SSD, 19,999 yuan till the $2,195 United States dollars. Ultra 9 processor plus RTX 5060T. Pricing and detailed specifications not yet announced.